WhatsApp has some cool features built in that allow you to prevent anyone else from being able to see the messages and photos and videos that you're sending on WhatsApp. You can make them completely private, and the best part about it is you can make them disappear immediately so that no one will be able to see that you have sent or received those. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. And let's open up a conversation here. Now, one option is that you can turn on disappearing conversations. This essentially means you can chat with somebody, but then it will disappear. To be able to turn that on, tap on their name at the top, scroll down, tap on disappearing messages, and on here, let's just hit OK, and you can choose message timer of 24 hours. Essentially, this means every 24 hours, all of the messages you send or receive will be wiped out. This is a cool feature, but you can also turn on view once photos, essentially allowing the other person to see a photo that you've sent, but then after they see it once, it is permanently deleted. Let's turn that on as well, just by going back. Tap the back arrow again, and let's go as if we're sending a photo. So tap on the plus next to the cursor, tap on photos here, and I'm going to choose this photo, for instance. If I send this normally, they'll be able to see it as many times as they want and even save it to their device. However, next to this send is a little 1 with some dots next to it. Tap on the 1, and you can see now it is highlighted in gray. If I send it then, you can see it will send it as a view once photo. They can tap on it to open it, but then they will not be able to see it again after that. Now, you've gone through these steps to essentially make sure that no one else can see this content after it disappears or viewing it once, but you can also lock down chats as well. To lock a chat, tap on their name at the top of that conversation, scroll down, and just toggle on lock chat. You can see it says use your Face ID to open this chat or read notifications. All you need to do is enable this and enable your Face ID or the password. Let me just do that real quick. Or you can enter in a secret code. Essentially, this is a code that only you would be able to know. Except it can be different apart from the code that you use to unlock your iPhone or Android. And essentially no one else will be able to even open up that conversation without needing to know that code. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.